Hi dear friends, how are you? I hope you well. So today I'm going to start your class. Today this class is your civic subject, and in the civic subject I will teach to you the second chapter. In the second chapter I will teach to you the role of the government in health. Okay, and also one more important I have to explain the what is health. About two topic I am going to explain. You should listen carefully and try to know that what is the role of the government in the health sector and other department. Okay, that's your book. Role of the government in health. In a democracy, the people expect the government to work for their welfare. We are expecting that the government will be work in a favor of our welfare. This could be through the provision of the education. I want that the government will be work under the criteria of the education, health, employment, housing and development of the roads, electricity, etc. In this chapter, what you should be then know about in this chapter? In this chapter, we shall examine. Examine means to identify, to measure. Examine the meaning of the problems related to health. Okay. So what kind of the problems our government solve in health sector? Thereabout I'm going to explain. In what ways do you think this topic is related to the work of government? How can we say this topic is related to the role of a government? There are two questions. About two questions, it should be the research, the meaning and conclusion, and answer. We can be saying and also the knowledge. What is health? The first I explained, second I am going to explain about. First of all, you should be the consider what is health. If you are not with disease, okay, if you have the not fever, okay, you have not another the pain problem in your body, so we can say we are the disease free. No, that's not we can say. We if you are taking the fresh air, you are healthy feeling, you can be do over all the works so which can for you, and also which work you started for your health if you are doing time to time, and also you're realizing that I'm the fit for that, so we can say you are the healthy. Okay, so about I'm going to give the knowledge about for your book. We can think of health in many ways. If you are healthy, not one direction, I want to say that from this direction we can be say you are healthy. Yeah, you are the living in the good climate, you are healthy. Yeah, you are eating the well food, it can be say that you are healthy. That's not meaning only. This is a one side meaning, okay? I want to give the six side. Health means our ability to remain the free of illness and the injury. That's exact meaning. Can we note down this line in your copy? But health is not only about disease. Okay, that's also important. You may have associated. You may have associated only some of the situation in the above college with the health. Wow. What we often ignore is the fact that each of the above situation is related to health. You may have associated only some of the situations, okay? You were attached only some of the situations in above the college with health. But here, what we often ignore is like this is very unuseful for us, is the fact that each of the above situation related to health. Over all these information, yeah, over all these words which are mentioned in these lines, they are expressing about the health, about a good health, and also we cannot ignore it. What we often ignore the fact, apart from the disease, we need to think of other facts that affect our health. For example, if the people get clean drinking water, for example, if people get clean the drinking water or the pollution the free environment, they are likely to be healthy. Okay, that's when. Okay, I want to suggest to you that in your life at least 5 plants you should have planted, so that in the coming generation can take the benefit of a good climate, good environment. On the other hand, on the other side, if the people do not get the adequate the food to eat or have to live in the rampant means, okay, tongue is like we have the problem to manage this, okay, that's called rampant conditions. they will be prone to illness. Means if the peoples they are unable to gain the good, the healthy, the pollution free, the pollution free the environment, they will be prone to illness. Means they will be diverted to illness. Okay, that is the problem here. In this time of the COVID-19, there will be peoples they can be the affected of this positive if you were the join to the peoples. And also for that, only one things in the protective for you should be the safe and apart from the members they are the world in the society. So this is a portion I want to tell you as a for the good healthy and pollution the free environment for you should the planted the 5 plants in your life. Otherwise you and also your coming generation cannot be take the benefit of the good the climate and also good atmospheric. All of us we are all have like to be active and the good spirits means like your internal spirits in the whatever we may be doing. It is not healthy to be the dull means you know that needless. Okay, dull, inactive, and excess means worry. Okay, or scared the for long stretches of the time. Okay, means it is not healthy. What cannot be healthy? It is not healthy to be the dull. Suppose that if you are dull, you are inactive, you are in excess, you are scattered, scared about for a long stretch of the time. So we cannot be say you are healthy. You are fully suffering from the disease. So if you are the dull free, if you are inactive, if you are active, if you are the free, you are not be scared about, you are not in stretches, you have not tension, so you are healthy. We are need to the without mental strength. We do not about mental strength like oh I tired. So that's kind of the nothing say you have to join. All of these various aspects of our lives are the part of the health. And also we can say one most important. All of these which I taught, I want to tell you these various aspects. Dear students, there are the 2 questions I want to show to you as a for exercise. So dear student, you should be to do this the 2 questions in your copy. Yeah, okay, the for your knowledge. Would you associate all or the sum of these pictures with health in the what ways discuss in the group? Okay, so I want to discuss with you and also I will be suggest that you should be the discuss first with your friends. Second question, to pick out the situation from the above the college that are not related to the illness and write 2 sentences on how they are related to health. Okay, so that's the 2 question. There are 2 portion I want to give to you. Do homework at your home. Okay, next topic I will be teach to you healthcare in India. Okay.